Hey, wealth warriors, ready to learn one of the most underrated tools for building wealth and leaving a legacy? That's right. We're diving into the mysterious, often misunderstood world of life insurance. Don't roll your eyes just yet. This isn't your grandma's life insurance talk. This is about leveraging policies to create wealth, protect your family, and set up a financial legacy that will have your great-grandkids saying, "Wow, they were a genius." Stay with me for the next hour, and I promise to break it down, beginner to pro, sprinkle in some humor, and leave you with actionable tips. Ready? Let's roll. All right, first up, what exactly is life insurance? At its core, life insurance is a contract where you pay premiums, and in return, the insurance company promises a payout when you graduate to the afterlife. There are two main types. Term life insurance. Think of this as renting. It's affordable, lasts for a set term, and has no frills. Great for covering specific needs like paying off your mortgage or replacing income if something happens to you. Permanent life insurance. This one's like buying a house. It's pricier, but it builds cash value over time. We'll focus on this because it's where the wealth-building magic happens. Term life insurance is like dating, short-term, no strings attached. Permanent life insurance, that's marriage. Commitment, baby. Now here's where it gets interesting. Permanent life insurance isn't just about leaving money behind, it's a multi-tool for building wealth. Here's how: cash value growth. Part of your premium goes into a savings-like account that grows over time. Think of it as a secret bank account you can borrow from. Tax advantages. The cash value grows tax-deferred, and the death benefit is generally tax-free. Uncle Sam won't touch it. Hallelujah. Legacy planning. You can use the policy to pass on wealth, and with the right setup, it can even sidestep probate. Imagine using your life insurance to fund a business, pay for your kids' college, or retire in style. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's talk strategy. Choose the right policy. If you're just starting, consider a whole life or indexed universal life (IUL) policy. IULs are particularly awesome for growth potential. Work with a trusted advisor to pick a policy that aligns with your goals, wealth building, or legacy planning. Fund it properly. Overfund your policy early. This supercharges your cash value growth. Think of it like preheating the oven before baking your wealth cake. Watch out for the MEC, Modified Endowment Contract Limit. This is where the IRS can rain on your parade. Leverage the cash value, borrow against it. Unlike traditional loans, policy loans don't show up on your credit report, and you set the repayment terms. Use it for opportunities, starting a business, investing, or even buying real estate. Front-loading your policy is like planting an orchard. The more seeds you plant early, the more fruit you'll harvest later. Let's talk legacy. Set up a trust. Pair your life insurance with a trust to control how the money is used. This ensures your heirs don't blow it all on yachts and NFTs. Use the death benefit strategically. Combine life insurance with estate planning to cover estate taxes or pass on tax-free wealth. Charitable giving: you can name a charity as a beneficiary and leave behind a legacy of giving. Imagine your name on a hospital wing. Talk about impact. Pro tip: don't let your legacy be the cousin who still owes you $20. Structure it right. Before you go all in, avoid these pitfalls. Underfunding. A partially funded policy is like a half-baked cake. No one wants that. Ignoring tax rules. Understand the MEC limit and IRS rules. Don't let taxes eat into your gains. Buying the wrong policy. Not all life insurance is created equal. Get professional advice tailored to your situation. There you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to using life insurance for wealth building and legacy planning. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or a pro refining your strategy, the key is to plan, act, and keep your goals in focus. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest takeaway? Are you ready to start planting those wealth-building seeds? And don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share it with someone who could use a financial glow-up. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join the community of wealth builders. Until next time, keep growing, keep planning, and remember, the best time to plant a wealth tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today.